Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. I'm Rishika from class 7 and I am here to talk to you about what makes learning fun. Learning can be made fun by engaging activities, real world correction, and a supportive environment that encourages curiosity and exploration, boosting as a love for knowledge and a sense of accomplishment. Some more detailed look at what makes learning fun are: first, engaging activities and interactive learning. Games and simulation can make learning interactive and enjoyable, allowing students to learn through play and problem solving. Second, hands-on activities. Practical activities like experiments, projects, and building model can make abstract concepts more concrete and memorable. Group work and collaboration. Collaboration project and discussion can foster teamwork, communication skills, and peer learning. Technology integration. Utilize technology like technological apps, online resources, and interactive simulation can enhance engagement and provide access to a wider range of learning materials. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Chandni Gupta from grade 7th and today I want to talk about what's make learning fun. It's when we stop seeing it as a boring task and start treating it like an adventure. When we use its learning becomes it when we use games, stories, experiments and creativity it like an adventures, math through puzzles, science through magics, and language through role plays. Thank you.
Have you ever asked why some classes feel exciting while make us stare to counting the minutes? Yes, the answer is all in the funs. Good morning everyone, I am Shamya and I currently a grade of 7th, student at CBSE Competitive School. Today I am standing beside all of you to give a presentation on the topic of what makes learning fun. Makes learning fun involves creating, engaging and enjoyable experience that motivate the student to participate their information, achieve through real world connections, interactive activities. We all have been in the same situation where we are forced to learn something new every day. But it feels like a chore. We sit in a classroom, starting to a test, our mind feel boring. That's all for today and thank you.
First of all, good evening to all of you, my respected teachers, principal and all dear my friends. My name is Navya Kishre. I am reading class 7. Today I spent before you to my express my thought on a topic that is an integral part of our lives, learning. And my topic is what makes learning fun. For many of us, the word learning immediately brings to my mind school bell or a burden of books or a pressure of exams. But still, learning is a so be monotonous and burdensome. I believe not. Learning is a natural human identify.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I would like to thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. Myself is Ansari of Standard 7 and today I am going to talking about something very important. Learning should be fun and enjoyable experience. However, of us find it's boring and monotonous. What makes learning fun? It's when we get to try new things, explore new ideas, will explore its importance and benefit and applications. First, interactive activities. Incorporate games, quiz and hand-on experiment keep learner to act. Second, storytelling. Use narrative to convey complex concept in interesting ways by the incorporating elements. Thank you.
So let's be honest, we all had boring classes, right? But what if I told you that learning does not to be boring at all? Good morning to all of you. I am Kushi. I am standard of grade 7th 7th in CBSE competitive school. Today Today I am going to talk about what makes learning fun. When we have having fun, we are more engaged, more motivated, and more likely to remember what we have learned. So what makes learning fun? First, it's about being curious and exploring new things. Second, it's about new experiences and taking risks. Third, it's about working together our friends and classmates. And lastly, it's about celebrating our success and learn being mistakes. So let's be makes learning fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Jaya Parveen. I study in class 7 today to experience in the topic of what makes the learning fun. Learning is the fun is the learn which enjoyable and pleasure we make is the knowledge we earn. People are often confused and bored while and we earn by writing and studying. We are visualize the whole topic of melodious music and raw diagram etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To make learning fun, incorporated variety, creativity, and real-world events, allowing students choices and gamification will also ensuring a positive and supportive learning environment. Here a more detailed breakdown of what makes learning fun. Yes guys, as I being, it is a pleasure to introduce myself. I am Ananya from Standard 7, student of CBSE Competitive School. Today I am here because I believe in the power of words and ideas, and I am very excited to share my thoughts on the critical topic of what makes learning fun. Let's start my speech. Learning becomes fun when it feels like excited, adventurous rather than a positive and supportive learning environment. This is a boring task. One of the biggest factor is engagement. When students are actively involved through games, gamification will also ensuring a positive and supportive learning environment, variety and engagement. Break up lessons vary teaching method, creativity and real world events. Gamifications on game using game and gamification will also ensuring a positive and supportive learning environment. Hand-on activity provide opportunity for a practical hand-on activity. That's a all today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have you ever noticed how time flies when you are really enjoying something? That's exactly what happens when learning is fun. But what actually makes learning fun? So good morning everyone. Today I, Sada Fayaz, a student of class 7th, is standing here to tell you something about what makes learning fun. First, it starts with curiosity. When you are really curious about something, whether it's how planets move, why animals behave the way they do, or even how a video game is made, learning becomes exciting. It's like going on a treasure hunt where every new fact is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Second, fun learning happens when it's interactive. Learning is fun when sitting and listening to a lecture for hours can get boring, but when we get to do experiments, play educational games, and work on creative projects, we become active participants. We learn by doing, not just by listening, and that makes a huge difference. In the end, learning is fun when it feels full of meaningful, engaging, and full of discoveries. It's not just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding the world in new ways. And when we enjoy the process, we don't just learn better, we learn to love learning. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Imagine if learning was not boring. It was fun and exciting every day. Learning can be fun when we get to do things like playing games, solve Sudoku,
Yes guys, I am Deepai Raj from Standard 7 student of CBSE Competitive School. I got a very precious chance to share my thoughts on the topic of what makes learning fun. Learning was not boring. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to one and all present here. I am Sweetie from grade 7. Today I am stand here to deliver a speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. First, curiosity is the key. When we are genuinely curious, learning feels like a treasure hunt. The excitement after discovering new things and understand the world around us. Learning can be super fun, like playing games, drawing pictures. We can learn about animals, pictures, drawing, and even sing song. Learning like an adventure. We keep us busy and thrilled to learn more. When we have fun, we learn better and faster. That's all for today. Have a nice day.
When we think of learning, we often think of boring lectures, tedious homework, and stressful exams. But it doesn't have to be that way. It can be enjoyable, exciting, and even fun. Yes guys, welcome back in CBSE Competitive School. Today we all present here in a speech competition. I am Aisha from grade 7, currently studying in CBSE Competitive School. Today I stand for you to share my thoughts on the topic of what makes learning fun. So first of all, we should know that what is the meaning of learning. So the real meaning of learning is to go beyond just acquiring knowledge or skills. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, behavior, attitude through the experience, practice or instruction. It involves the observation, processing and retention of information as well as the ability to apply and adapt that knowledge in different context. A question is front in this topic is what is the power of learning and why we learn the things. So the answer is very easy and clear. That's the learning is the power to transform the life, helping individuals overcome obstacles, achieve goals and realize their potential. It unlocks human potential, enabling individuals to develop new skills, acquire knowledge and expand their capabilities. It promotes personal growth, helping individuals develop greater self-awareness, self-confidence and self-esteem. And there are many reasons behind that question why we learn the things. I give you some examples for why we learn the things. So my first example is that we also learn to acquire new knowledge, skills and understanding the world around us. And my second example is that we also learn to achieve our personal and professional goals, whereas to get a degree, start a new career and improve our relationship. And my third and last example is that we also learn to solve our problems, make informed decisions and negative conflict situations. That's all for today. Thank you.
To make learning fun, more enjoyable and engaging, we must incorporate some simple and easy activities. Yes guys, I am telling about what makes learning fun. A very warm and pleasant morning to all and all present here. This is Jyoti Kumari from Standard 7, currently studying to CBSE Competitive School. Today I am here to leave a short speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. Learning is an style part of our lives, but sometimes it can feel like a chore. However, learning can be fun when certain elements are present. One of the key aspects of making learning fun is stimulating environment. When learners are in an environment that is engaging and interactive way of seeds. For example, teacher can use games, video and interactive way of seeds of making learning more enjoyable and memorable for students. For example, I remember my science teacher in CBSE school. We experiment our class. Not touch me about science. It realized me around the world of me. That's all for today. Thank you for your time and attention.
So first of all, you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. I am Pritik Mare from class 7. Today my topic is what makes learning fun. Thank you. Oh yes, sir.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and audience, my friends. My name is Rinki Kumari, I Standard 7. Today delivered morning speech on this topic of what makes learning fun. As a student, we struggle to understand and long lectures and theory. Sometimes our teachers also find during to in exploitation and participation. Some the thank you.
Hi guys, good evening everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, student and educator, this is Neha, grade 7th of CBC Competitive School. I am so glad that I got a chance to give a speech in front of you. This is a pleasure to get a golden opportunity like this. Today I am here to give speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. Today I want to talk about something that I believe is essential for all of us to succeed in life. Making learning fun. Learning is lifelong process. It is something we all need to embrace in order to grow and develop. However, many of us have had negative experience with learning in the past. We have had negative experience, but I believe that learning can be fun with that essential that making learning fun. So what is the meaning of what makes learning fun? There are several factors that making learning enjoyable experience. That's all. Thank you. Have a great day.
Learning is not about acquiring knowledge. It's about igniting passion for discovery and curiosity about world. Yes guys, this is Kavya from Standard 7th and standing here to talk about a very wonderful topic which name is what make learning fun. So first of all, my question is that what really sparked that joy? For me, it's boiled down to few things. First, curiosity. When we are curious about something, learning becomes adventurous. It's like solving mystery. Engagement. Sitting still and listening. Not always fun. Getting hand-on and discussing and doing things. Where the excitement is. Connection. When we see how what we learn, we relate it to our life or the thing we care about it. It suddenly becomes relevant. Progress. That feeling of I got it is incredibly satisfying. Seeing ourselves improve make us to want to learn more. Playfulness. Learning does not have to be serious all time. A little bit of laughter and creativity can go a long way. Ultimately, fun learning is about making an experience, not just a task. Let's embrace the sense of wonder and make learning joyful journey. Thank you and I hope you like my speech.
Good morning everyone, my name is Durga Patel, my respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. I am a student from 7th. Today the topic of my speech are making learning fun. What are making learning fun? I went to talk about some things crucial for success, not just in academics but like in making learning fun. Ways that make learning fun. Spending time outside the classroom in the making learning fun. Students are experiment science labs is called making learning fun. In course, the participated using interactive relatives called making learning fun. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. I am Pranjal from Standard 7. Today I am excited to share my insights with what make a learning fun with you all. To make a learning fun, enjoyable and engaged, we must incorporate some simple and easy activity. Engagement is one of the important elements to making learning fun. Being engaged and activity involved in a learning process allow us to understand all its dimensions. Variety and creativity are the best way to ensure learning is stay fun. Essentially, you should to open to your student creativity. Give your class the freedom to modify assignment and project as long as they are changed by their first. You may find that they... Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shreya from Standard 7. Today the topic of my speech what's make learning fun. Learning is enjoyable when we are inspired, make new ideas and invently express ourselves. Our ability to tap into our curiosity and creativity. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself and Dihra from class 7. Today I am delivering a morning speech on the topic of What make a learning fun? What really make a learning fun? Yes, learning becomes exciting when we use game, stories, experiment and creativity. Amazing. Learning math through puzzles, science through magic like experiment, and language through song and role play. So let's not just study to pass this exam. Let's learning to explore the question and enjoy the journey. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Aslan Ansari, standard class 7. I am delivered a morning speech on the topic of what make our learning fun. What is learning fun? The subject which like very much is called learning fun. I like science. The science is very interesting subject. I like this subject because in this subject in a many fencing field like chemistry, physics and environmental. Thank you.
Study so that what we learn, what we enjoy, we remember it perform better. What's the secret to making a learning fun? Honorable principal, teachers and my friends. Myself Aro of standard 7. Today I stand, it is truthfully an honor to stand before you today and speak something that has shaped the life of countless. Learning is a work or activity in which we take a learning fun. It also increase our curiosity. Learning is a best tool to get success. Mind don't get memory in the boring time. It also increase our time. Our students are taught by the practical, they understand as well every subject. Here are some tips that can use a student can take a learning fun. First, extracurricular activity. Extracurricular activity, a student can a chance to singing, dancing and doing drama, and they can refresh their mind. Second, going tour or trip. If the students are going tour or trip, they can also taste a culture. Third, if the student are taking revision, a student are taking revision. In revision, the student are also to hold the ability to do something. If the student are that's all. Thank you for today.
Studies show that when we enjoy what we learn, we remember it better, perform better, and let's dive in. A very heartful morning to one and all present here. I am Abhishek from Grade 7, standing in front of you to talk about some critical about what makes the learning fun. This topic profoundly encapsulates the profounding power of learning. Learning is the best way to success, but without fun, there is a difficult to learn. Without fun learning, our mind don't give and get any question answered during study time. Many schools have only study. No one other activities for amusing students and funny learning. Here are some tips that learning makes fun. First, extracurricular activities. By 8 students are able to find their hidden interest in them by different activities like singing, dancing, drama, etc. Second, cultural programs. They are essential in every school to aware students about their own culture. Third and last, practicals. If students are taught by practicals, they can entertain in every subject and also increases their curiosity. In conclusion, that in beginning study is boring, but some tips can entertain students and making learning fun. In last, I would like to thank you from bottom of my heart and also thank you for listening my thoughts and for your kind attention.
Honorable Chairperson, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends, myself Kundan Kumar from Standard 6. Today I want to discuss about what make a learning fun. Do you know what make a learning fun? It when we stop saying it is a boring task and you can learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rachit Kumar from class 7. Today I stand here and want to talk about what makes a learning fun. Do you know what learning fun is important in our life? A student makes her remember to enjoying and solving and solution of math and lectures. Many a student is doing homework are very boring and are very boring. The math our more student more it is a lot of calculation. Our student is more various student is a solution math puzzles. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. This is Ayush Kumar from grade 7. Today I am here to discuss my topic. My topic is what makes learning fun. So learning is a makes activity, and so learning makes activity, and without learning is not can we say we mind do not any memory boring time. It is necessary to make learning fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Akshay, my standard 7. Today my topic is what makes learning fun. Study so that when we enjoy what we learn to remember it better, so that and so that to better perform and making learning fun. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Satyam of class 7. Today my speech is what makes learning fun. Mind do not any memory is blowing time, so it is necessary to learning make the learning fun. The reason of school is the way of learning. The teacher is the full of the fun. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to present here. My name is Anupma. I reading class 7. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. Learning comes when it's memorizing fact. It is a exciting advancing curiosity. When we are curious, any activities like experiment, games and creative projects. What makes feel like the curious things? What make feel like a curious things are just any tips of a make learning fun. Math like a puzzle, science like a magic and experiment, and last social science is a story like, and something forgettable boring subject turn into something forgettable. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Nitish Yadav from class 7. Today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. The learning is very important role in our life because it has a fun in learning. The teacher told us in story the learning is without learning we cannot success in our life, because learning is a ability to key of success. That's all. Thank you.
A lovely good morning to all of us here. This is Ayush, standard class 7, standing here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. First we should what is learning. Learning is the part of our study. We can remember our study. Without learning we cannot success in our life. Just like a math is puzzle, without learning we cannot solve a math. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all dear friends. My name is Inne Kumar, standard 7. Today is my topic of what makes learning fun. What makes learning fun is the very important in our life. We need to success in the professional scientist in our life today, because it is a very important learning things about due to professional, and some are called. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for giving me respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. Myself Aditya Sani from class 7. Today I am delivered a short speech on the topic of math.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vitesh Raj and I am student of class 7. Today I am present here to deliver a speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. As students, we all struggle to understand long lectures and theory classes. Sometimes our teachers also find it boring due to lack of engagement and
First of all, a very good morning to all of you. Myself Ritesh from class 6, currently study in CBSE competitive school. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic which are what make learning fun. First, we should note that what is learning. Learning is a part of study. Without learning, we can't succeed in our life. Learning is the key of success. Sometimes we hear a long lecture and it's make the boring. So the learning is always fun with practical experiment with the teachers and the student. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. My name is Aryan Kumar. I read in 7th class. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. For me, learning is fun.
A cheerful good morning to one and all. Myself, Athar Shekhar. I am standing in the front of you all to share my thought on the topic of what make learning fun. Actually, what make learning fun? In the class, some teachers told us stories, ideas, thought in the class. That is, we are interested on them. That we are fun. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Adhan Ansari and I read in class 7. Today I want to topic of what makes learning fun, something that incredibly important fun, what makes activities, hobbies and every moment in everyday life enjoyable and exciting. A fun class is one where learning feels and exciting. The teacher is friendly and make us smile. Sometimes we watch interesting videos, group activities and make a class enjoyable. We do art projects and science experiments and we allow to ask GK questions and our teachers tells funny stories and while teaching. Thank you.
Heartful and cheerful morning to one and two present here. This is Durgesh from class 7. Today I have got a chance to share my thoughts about what makes learning fun. Learning is an amusing work in itself. Without fun, learning is not possible. The person who is interested in learning, they not only enjoy but also taste its flavor and also get knowledge and morals from the source. But nowadays the children are going to schools, tuitions, college and goes to read books in libraries. Some students are learning for some competitive exams like Navodaya, Sainik School, etc. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected and all teachers. My name is Jans Kumar in study class 7. My topic name is radiation. Transparent of heat from one body to another body is called radiation. Thank you.
My name is Prajapati. Read to class 7. The experiment is
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Pancham Prakash. I am reading in class 6. I am going to short speech on the what make learning fun. A fun class and learning make us fun. A teacher is friendly and make us smile. We do science project and art projects. When we see the learning is challenge, we get more exciting and it makes us learning fun. We see we can do group study, see project videos. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Shubham Kumar Gupta, Standard 7. Today I want to talk about what makes learning fun. Learning is a fun, what it feel like play. We enjoy learning, use games, songs and stories. Learning is also fun with friends, share ideas, ask questions, makes us curious. Learning is a fun, when want to talk about something, learning becomes like a game. When teachers are kind and patience, and a good teacher is listens, happy and smiles to student. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Today my topic is what makes learning too fun. So learning is very important in our life, because without learning we cannot success in our life. Learning help in filling a books, etc. Thank you.
A lovely good morning to all of you, dear parenting here. This is Sasan Singh from class 7. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of what makes your learning fun. Learning make a fun, it feels a game or an adventure. Learning make a fun and adventure. Fun teachers, group activity, cool experiments and make a lesson exciting. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Anikesh Kumar from class 7. Today I am to deliver a short speech on the topic of what make a learning fun. What make a learning fun? Forever to given, contacted for given to books and learning a game, because the book reading, studies boring and playing for game to standard the mind exciting and interest. Thank you.
Good morning all of you, respected principal, teacher, all my dear friends. My name is Pankaj Pal from class 7. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of what make a learning fun. The learning fun is making with activities, as learning is a challenging journey of learning with the help of books, music and many more. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Prithviraj from class 7. Today I deliver a speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. Learning is fun when it fun adventure, fun teacher group activities and cool informants. That's all.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Omji Singh in standard 7th. In my topic is what make learning fun. learning become fun. It's when it's encrypt and personality intercrops or incorporate game real world application and allow students to explore their creative. Thank you. I have a very nice.
Good morning to all of you. I am Himanshu from class 7. Today I got a chance
to share about some notes about what makes learning fun. Today the learning fun is very important. That mathematics, science and other subjects. In math people use so many questions that makes learning. That learning and if we so that do this, if we make fun and learning about these chapters. In science, there are many chapters in the science books. There are many very so fun and many activity about animals, humans and other creatures. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Asif. I am reading class in 7. This is topic what's make learning a fun. The learning fun is the human and the wings with the social science and mathematics and the English tutorial and the and animal human nature and in the play in the school and international and the play the learning in the school and home and the self-study in the mix and the fun is the mix and the fun game friend and our parents and childhood. So thank you. Have a nice day.
First of all, a very good morning, principal, teacher and all my dear friends. Myself Shubham Kumar Gupta, standard 7 and my topic name is what makes a learning fun. Learning fun is a other subject mathematics, science, English, Hindi and other subject and my favorite subject is English. English are a learning our book in school children and my best friend our school class in class 7. Our fun are very much environment learning fun every week. There are so much learning in the environment learning fun book in our class school. Thank you.
So first of all, very good morning to all of you. My name is Satyam Patel. I read in class 7th on the topic of what make a learning fun. Learning is a very important for life. Learning is a very important in your life. That's example learning subject.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Nawab Ansari, early class 7. Today I deliver a short speech of the topic of what make learning fun. For me, learning is a fun when it contact passage interested and when it see learning. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is MD Saif Ali. I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of what's make fun. Understand their groups fun to another. There are understanding to background and intelligence exploration and their minds. Science is the fun to achieving their success. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals, chairperson, and all my dear friends. My name is Sanskar Kumar Soni from class 7, and today I am present here to deliver a short speech on the topic of what makes learning fun. For me, learning is fun when it's connected to our passions and interests. When we learn something we love, we become more excited and motivated. Another way to make learning fun is to take it as a game. When we see learning as a challenge, we become more excited and driven. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.